Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Lab.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Lab, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here today.
Hi, Tom. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you. Actually, I'm a little hungry right now.
Oh, no. You're hungry already?
Yes, I didn't have a big breakfast this morning.
Well, that's perfect timing, because today we're talking about a very delicious topic.
Oh, really? What is it?
Today we're talking about our favorite foods.
Favorite foods. Oh, this is a great topic. I love talking about food.
Me too. Food is one of my favorite things to discuss.
And it's perfect for English practice because everyone eats. Everyone has favorite foods.
Exactly. It's something we can all relate to and talk about.
Yes, and food brings people together from all cultures.
That's so true. But before we start, we have a small request.
Yes, if you're enjoying our podcast, please click the like button.
And if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Everyday English Lab.
And share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you all so much. Your support means everything to us.
Okay, Sarah, I'm ready. Let's talk about food. My stomach is ready too.
All right, Tom, let's start with the big question. What is your absolute favorite food?
Oh, wow, that's very difficult, Sarah.
I know it's hard. There are so many delicious foods.
It's like choosing a favorite star in the sky.
That's a nice way to say it. But you must have one.
Okay. If I have to choose just one, I think my favorite food is pizza.
Pizza. That's a classic choice.
I love pizza because it's like a party on a plate. You have the warm bread, the tasty tomato sauce, the melted cheese.
Hmm, that does sound good.
And the best part is you can add anything you want. Vegetables, meat, even fruit.
Fruit? On pizza?
Some people like pineapple on pizza.
Oh, that's very controversial.
It is. Some people love it, some people hate it.
What's your favorite topping?
My favorite toppings are pepperoni and extra cheese. What about you, Sarah? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
Sushi? Really? That's very different from pizza.
It is very different.
I've tried sushi a few times. It was an adventure.
An adventure? What do you mean?
Well, the fish was cold and raw. That was strange for me.
Yes, raw fish can be unusual if you're not used to it.
And the seaweed was chewy. It felt very different in my mouth.
That's okay. You can try different types. You don't have to start with raw fish.
Different types?
Yes, there's sushi with cooked shrimp or vegetables, or even sushi with egg.
That sounds better for me.
What's your favorite type of sushi?
My favorite is definitely salmon sushi.
Salmon. That's popular.
Yes, the salmon is so fresh and smooth. It just melts in your mouth.
Melts in your mouth. That's a great expression.
It means the food is so soft you barely need to chew.
Okay, maybe I'll try salmon sushi next time.
You should. It's really delicious. Now let's talk about breakfast. I would like to share with you what I like to eat in the morning. For breakfast, I usually eat something light.
Light means not heavy, not too much food.
I usually eat yogurt with fresh fruit like strawberries or blueberries.
That sounds very healthy.
It is. And I add a little honey for sweetness. What about you, Sarah?
I love a big breakfast. I love pancakes with maple syrup.
Pancakes, those are sweet.
Very sweet. And I add butter on top. And I also eat bacon, crispy, salty bacon.
So sweet pancakes and salty bacon together?
Yes, the sweet and salty together is perfect.
That's an interesting combination. Do you eat toast?
Yes, sometimes. When I'm in a hurry, I just eat toast with butter. I'm an expert at making toast.
An expert?
Yes, I know exactly how long to cook it. Golden brown, not too dark.
That's a good skill. Now let's talk about lunch. What do you usually eat?
For lunch, I often eat a salad.
More healthy food.
Yes, I like to eat healthy during the week. Usually a chicken salad with lots of vegetables.
That sounds fresh. What vegetables do you add?
I add lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots. Sometimes I add corn too.
Do you make the salad at home?
Yes, I prepare it in the morning and bring it to work.
That's very organized. I don't usually eat salad for lunch.
No? What do you eat?
I eat a sandwich, a big sandwich,
What kind of sandwich?
usually ham and cheese on white bread. Sometimes I add lettuce and tomato.
That sounds good.
It's simple but delicious. And it's filling.
Filling.
Filling means it makes you feel full, not hungry anymore.
Oh, I see. My salad is not always filling. Sometimes after 1 hour, I'm hungry again.
That's why you need a big sandwich.
Maybe you're right. Now the most important meal. Dinner.
Yes, dinner is the big meal of the day.
What's your favorite dinner, Tom?
I love grilled fish with vegetables.
What kind of fish?
Salmon is my favorite. I eat it with broccoli and carrots.
That's very healthy. What about you? What's your favorite dinner?
For dinner, I love a big juicy burger.
A burger. With French fries?
Yes, of course. A burger with a big pile of French fries.
What do you put on your burger?
Everything. Lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese, and ketchup.
That sounds delicious, but not very healthy.
I know, I don't eat it every day. Maybe once a week.
That's okay. Once a week is fine. It's good to have balance.
Exactly. During the week, I try to eat more vegetables.
That's smart. Balance is very important. Now let's talk about snacks. What do you like to eat between meals?
For snacks, I usually eat nuts.
Nuts? Like peanuts?
Yes, or almonds or cashews. They're healthy and they give me energy.
I like nuts too, but my favorite snack is popcorn.
Popcorn, like at the movies?
Yes, but I make it at home. I like salty popcorn.
I like both salty and sweet popcorn. Now let's talk about dessert.
Ah, yes, dessert. The best part of the meal.
Do you always eat dessert after dinner?
Not always, but if there's chocolate cake, yes.
Chocolate cake is your favorite dessert?
One of my favorites. I also love ice cream. Chocolate ice cream.
So you have a sweet tooth.
A sweet tooth? What does that mean?
It means you really love sweet things.
Oh, yes. I definitely have a sweet tooth. What about you?
I like dessert, but I don't eat it every day. My favorite is cheesecake.
Cheesecake is delicious.
Yes, it's creamy and not too sweet. I like it with strawberries on top.
Mmm, that sounds perfect. Do you make cheesecake at home?
Sometimes. But it's a little difficult to make.
I've never made cheesecake. It seems very complicated.
It takes time, but it's worth it.
Now let's talk about drinks. Do you drink coffee, Tom?
Yes, every morning I need coffee to wake up.
How do you like your coffee?
I like it black with 1 sugar. If I drink coffee at night, I can't sleep.
I understand. I don't drink coffee at all.
Really? Never?
Never. Coffee makes me feel nervous.
So what do you drink?
I drink tea, green tea in the morning and herbal tea at night.
Herbal tea? What's that?
It's tea made from herbs, like chamomile or peppermint.
Oh, I've tried chamomile tea. It's very relaxing.
Yes, it's perfect before bed. It helps me sleep well.
That's good. I should try drinking tea at night.
You should. It's very calming.
Now I want to ask you about cooking. Do you like to cook, Sarah?
I love to cook. I cook almost every day.
Wow, every day?
Yes, I enjoy it. It's relaxing for me.
What kind of food do you cook?
I cook many different things. Pasta, fish, soup, salads.
That's impressive. Do you follow recipes?
Sometimes, but sometimes I just create my own dishes.
You create your own recipes?
Yes, I like to experiment with different ingredients.
Ingredients are the foods you use to cook, right?
Exactly, like vegetables, spices, meat, or rice. What about you, Tom? Do you like to cook?
I'm not a very good cook.
Really?
I can make simple things eggs, pasta, toast.
Toast again?
Yes, I'm very good at toast. I can also make scrambled eggs, but sometimes I burn them.
You burn eggs?
Yes, I forget about them. I'm not a careful cook.
Maybe you should practice more.
Maybe. Or maybe I should just order food like pizza.
Do you order food often?
Sometimes, when I'm too tired to cook.
That's okay. Everyone does that sometimes. I order food too when I'm busy.
What do you usually order?
Usually sushi or Thai food.
Of course, sushi. You really love sushi.
I do. Now let me ask you, what food do you really dislike?
I really don't like blue cheese.
Blue cheese? Why not?
The smell is very strong, and the taste is too powerful for me.
I understand. Blue cheese is an acquired taste.
Acquired taste.
It means you need to try it many times before you like it.
Oh, I see. What about you?
I really don't like olives.
Olives, but olives are good.
Not for me. They're too salty and bitter.
That's funny. I love olives.
We're very different, Tom.
We are, but that's okay. Everyone has different preferences.
Exactly. Now let me ask about childhood food. What food did you love when you were a child?
Oh, that's easy. My grandmother's apple pie.
Apple pie?
Yes, she made the best apple pie in the world.
What made it special?
The crust was sweet and buttery, and the apples inside were soft with cinnamon. She always served it with vanilla ice cream.
Warm pie and cold ice cream?
Yes, it was perfect. It's my comfort food.
Comfort food? What's that?
Comfort food is food that makes you feel happy and safe. It reminds you of home.
Oh, that's a nice concept.
What's your comfort food, Sarah?
My comfort food is my mother's chicken soup.
Chicken soup?
Yes, when I was sick as a child, she always made chicken soup. It was like magic medicine.
That's so sweet. Food is not just about eating, it's about memories and feelings.
You're absolutely right. Food connects us to our past and to the people we love.
That's beautiful, Sarah.
Well, Tom, we've talked about so many delicious foods today.
We have. And now I'm very hungry.
Me too. These vocabulary words really helped us be more proficient in speaking English.
That's right. It gave us more confidence to talk about another topic and share our own thoughts.
Me too. But first, let's review what we talked about.
Yes, let's do a quick summary.
We talked about our favorite foods. Your favorite is pizza and mine is sushi.
We talked about meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
We talked about snacks and desserts.
We talked about drinks like coffee and tea.
We talked about cooking. I love it, while you're not very good at it.
We talked about foods we dislike.
And we talked about childhood memories and comfort food.
That's a great summary, Sarah.
Thank you. I think this was a very delicious conversation.
It was. And I hope everyone learned some new food vocabulary.
Yes, words like toppings, ingredients, comfort food.
Filling, acquired taste, melts in your mouth.
These are all useful words for talking about food. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Already? Time flies so fast when you are learning.
That's true. But that also means that we enjoy the process and really understands the topic.
Yes, I indeed enjoyed everything we've discussed today. And it also helped me get a little bit better in speaking English.
That's good to hear. Learning is way better and easier when you have friends to help you out.
And it's also fun to learn new things about each other and share thoughts on anything.
Now we reach the end of this podcast for today. Thank you so much for listening, everyone. We hoped that you enjoyed your time with us.
And also, we hope you learned something from us as well.
Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to Everyday English Lab and give this episode a like if you enjoyed it.
We have a question for you today.
In the comments below, please tell us, what is your favorite food?
And why do you love it?
Is it pizza like Tom? Is it sushi like me? Or something completely different?
We're very curious to read your answers,
Please write in the comments. We love reading them.
so don't be shy, share your favorite food with us.
Well, thank you again, everyone.
Until next time, keep practicing your English.
Learning is a constant process. It can sometimes be a struggle in the beginning, but you have to stay motivated to achieve your goals.
Everything will be easier once you master yourself in speaking English.
You can always have fun along the way and find few things to enjoy while practicing.
So keep on learning and stay motivated as always. You've come a long way.
That is so true. So see you again next time.
Don't forget to enjoy some delicious food today. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode.